Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of walking around this beautiful Volkswagen California. It's just arrived with us. It's only had one owner from new. It's a top spec Ocean. It's got every single extra I've ever seen on one. Like everything you can think of. Registration is Hotel Golf 72, Golf Uniform Whiskey. Now the first thing I'm going to show you on this van is the full electric roof. This is, just to confirm with people that may not know, this is the full factory built version by Volkswagen. The one that everybody wants, the California Ocean. So as we can see, it's got a full electronic roof, which is rising now just by pushing a switch. Very easy to do. The roof, in fact, on this is as new. The van's been extremely well looked after. And there we have it, the roof is up. So looking at the front, first things we'll see here, we've got LED day running lights. We also have parking sensors and front fog lights. The van features alloy wheels. It's currently set up in what we refer to at Raylands as day mode. So the awning is out, table and chairs are set up. These chairs in fact fold away and go inside the tailgate. And the table goes inside the sliding door. Awning's completely immaculate. So inside we've got our captain seats round at the front here. We've got our inside table out as well. Lovely view here at Rayland Car Sales, looking over South Somerset. Absolutely stunning. So underneath these glass cabinets, you will see we have a sink, twin gas hob there, all nice and clean. We also have a fridge with a basket option as well. Nice and easy to pack away, simply just push the lids down. Ample storage underneath. We also find here we've got LED lighting as well. Really nice soft lighting. Here's the roof from the inside. We'll show you that setup later with the other bed. Let's take a look from this seat here. So we can look across here at our other passengers when we're dining. Also worth showing you here while we're here, as this is one of the latest ones, we've got the nice panel here for our management system, so we can see how much water we've got on board, how much wastewater. We can also operate our auxiliary heater from here, which is also on a remote, so you can literally be sat outside the van or in the van, turn the heating on and off via remote. We can control our fridge, our roof, which we've just seen, and there's loads of other features here to do with lighting, alarm clocks, timers, etc. So let's jump out, take a look around the rear of the van, and then we'll get that set up for sleeping. And we'll also show you the controls in the front of the cab. So to the rear here, first thing you'll notice, we've got the added option of a comfort mattress. It really is a must-have, makes a huge difference, really comfortable. Here we have our tow bar, which is removable and detachable. We also have the shower option on board as well. Again, simply just hook up, and then we've got a shower here we can use for rinsing down, walking down the beach, or simply just as to have a shower. Here, this is where the seats fold away with inside the camper. Shut the tailgate a second. So you can see across the rear here we've got rear parking sensors. We also have rear reverse camera as well, which I'll show you later in the video. LED lighting to the rear. To the side here we've got a nice Ocean decals. We also have a lockable water storage area and our hookup for when on campsites. As I said, we've got alloy wheels, 17 inches all the way around. Paintwork's absolutely superb, as you'd expect. Just show you here again our view here at Rayland Car Sales. We are spoilt. Nice California badging to the front wings as well. Nice day running lights again at the front. Obviously this is a T6.1, so this is the latest model. Also, while we're setting up a minute, I'll just show you the roof. As you can see, there's no rips, no snags, nothing whatsoever, as you'd expect. So I do believe we're all set up now. So there we can see, bed is all folded down downstairs. The comfort mattress. We've got our blinds down as well. Not all of them, just showing you how easy it is to be set up. So to go in the top, simply just pull the bed down, and there we are. Nice double up top. We also have the sprung mattress as well up here. Again, a nice option. We also have lighting, as you can see there, and up here, and one on the other side. Let's turn that off. We also have here a 12-volt socket as well. So let's jump through to the front cab. Let's jump in. There we go. So, first thing we'll tell you is the mileage. It's only covered 18,857 miles. So start the van a minute. You got a warning there, just reminding us that the roof is open and not to drive off. And just starting the van to show you there's no warning lights present whatsoever. Let's just turn it off a second. So, we've got a massive infotainment system as well, as you probably noticed. We've got a digital dashboard. As I said, it's got all the options you can think of. Lovely satellite navigation screen. We also have DAB radio. Let's turn that down a second. We also have hands-free calls. Various apps on board as well. And lots of other apps and stuff we can use on the vehicle. We also have heated front seats, the all-important automatic gearbox, USB chargers and connectivity down there, lovely honeycomb effect on the dash. We have got cruise control, obviously you can answer our hands-free calls and everything here. There's also adaptive cruise on this one as well, so we can adjust how far we are from the traffic in front. Electric folding heated mirrors, electric windows. I've already shown you the system up here as well. We've got both the keys, the all-important heater key as well. You just simply push that to turn the heater on, and keys for our tow bar if we want to remove it, and our water tank. We've also got our first aid kit there as well, Volkswagen. So there we have it, beautiful one owner, low mileage, Ocean, all ready for the summer. You also will notice that we are an AA dealer. So this vehicle comes 12 months free breakdown cover as standard. So proud to say we're an AA dealer promise dealer. If you'd like any more details, or of course like to purchase, feel free, give us a call. 01460 312923. That's 01460 312923. We're Rayland Car Sales. Hope you enjoy watching the video, and we'll speak to you soon.